friends, how are you? This is G. I've got my cake mix, so I'm going to empty it here and then we continue, yeah? It is time to add our 3 eggs, 3 large eggs. This has been pre-sieved. You don't have to do anything. All the dry ingredients have been mixed. So what you have to do now, you add this. There you go. And your 6 tablespoons of olive oil. I use sunflower oil, I use any type of vegetable oil I can, get hold of. Now I have olive oil, so I'm gonna use this. 6 tablespoons. It's written there anyway, I'm just trying to, reinforce it. It's written on the packet. Yeah. So, and they said you can add water. What's the measurement? Written there as well. But I decided to add milk because I love more milk. So let's give this a beautiful mix. I'm not good at measurement. I don't know how to bake cake. I can't even measure. I can't do this. Betty Crocker says you can. You give it a beautiful stir. You can whisk this, but I'm doing it this way. This is how I make mine, yeah? Perfect. I'm rubbing the oil, the olive oil, just on the pan with the him. So it doesn't stick. Right. It is time to pour the butter in here. Right, perfect. And to the oven now. It says 180 degrees centigrade. So let's do it. I'm gonna put it back there. Yes, when you insert your skewer or your toothpick in it and it comes out clean, then you know the cake is ready. The cake is ready. Let's do it. Yeah, so it's not done yet. Alright? It has to come out clean. You're gonna push it back in.